Welcome back friends to another video on a very important topic, that is electrical safety audit. And this video is going to be very informative because we are going to cover what is electrical safety audit, how electrical safety audit is being done, what is the outcome of electrical safety audit, or we can say the benefits of electrical safety audit. We'll discuss all these topics in this video, so keep watching. Let us see. Now coming to the main question, that what is an electrical safety audit? An electrical safety audit is a comprehensive assessment of electrical systems and electrical equipments which are present within a facility or organization to ensure that these systems and equipments comply with safety standards and regulations. Now, what is the purpose of an electrical safety audit? Why we should conduct an electrical safety audit in our organization? The primary purpose of an electrical safety audit is to identify potential hazards, assess risk, and recommend corrective actions to mitigate electrical danger and ensure the safety of people and property. During an electrical safety audit, a team of experts such as electrical engineer or electrical safety professionals inspect various aspects of electrical systems, including wiring, distribution panel, grounding system, protective devices, equipment installation, and electrical maintenance procedure. Now these experts will examine the condition of equipments, will evaluate electrical load and capacity, and review documentation and records, and will assess the adherence to electrical codes and standards. Now this audit team will typically follow a systematic approach which will include the following steps. So we'll go step by steps that how an electrical audit is being done. Now coming to the first step, which is documentation review. Here we review all the related documents which are present in an organization related to electrical system and equipments. It is assessing electrical design drawings, maintenance record, testing and inspection reports, and relevant safety policies and procedures. Second one is visual inspection. Conducting a physical examination of electrical equipments, wiring, switchgear, cables, connectors, and other components to identify any visible sign of wear and damage or non-compliance. Now third one is electrical testing. Performing tests such as insulation resistance testing, earth continuity testing, circuit breaker testing, and protective relay testing to evaluate the functionality and performance of electrical system. Now next one is compliance assessment, which is evaluating the electrical system against applicable safety standards, regulations, and local electrical codes to identify any deviation or non-compliance. Now after compliance, we have come to risk assessment. It is identifying potential electrical hazards such as inadequate grounding, overloaded circuits, improper wiring, insufficient protection devices, or lack of maintenance, and assessing the associated risk. Now the final step is report generation, documenting the findings including area of non-compliance, identified hazards and recommended corrective actions. So a report will be generated. Now this report may also include a prioritized action plan and suggestions for improving electrical safety. So now we have gone through electrical safety audit. What is the outcome? The outcome of an electrical safety audit provides valuable insights to facility owners and management, helping them address potential risk and ensure a safe working environment. Now this electrical safety audit enables the management and owner to take corrective measures, implement necessary improvements and establish an ongoing electrical safety management system to prevent accidents, electrical failures and fires. So finally we have come to an electrical safety management system within an organization which is being formed with the help of electrical safety audit. So this is it with this video on the topic electrical safety audit. And if you are owner of a company or you are in the higher management, higher authority, you will surely plan for an electrical safety audit in your organization. So remember the name Vichitra Enterprises. Do mail us or contact us through WhatsApp or phone number which is given below in the description. And finally friends, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.